Hi everyone, my name is Jan Kopi Randang and today I will present cloud solution proposal for Iron Business Stream. In this presentation, I will explain the recommended cloud solution or, or how it will benefit business and security consideration and overall risks or advantages of implementing cloud computing. Next, about Iron Fitness Gym. Iron Fitness Gym is dedicated to providing a top tier fitness experience for its members. So it's a local business that manage members' registrations, payment records, and daily operation. Currently, the gym is relies on mostly on local computers to store information. While this setup works, it creates risks such as data loss, limited accessibility, and possible security issues. If a computer fails or data is accidentally deleted, important business information could be lost. Because of this, I believe moving to a cloud-based system will improve efficiency, security, and reliability. Next, proposed cloud services model. The recommended cloud service for model for Iron Business Stream is a software as a service. SaaS will the gym to use software through the internet instead of installing it on local computers. This means staff can access the system anytime as long as there is an internet connection. I think this model is beneficial because it reduces maintenance, provides automatic updates, and lowers hardware cost. Cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud platforms can provide reliable and secure services. Next, simplified network architectures. The proposed cloud infrastructure connects the gym's device to the cloud service through the internet. Devices such as front desk computers, printers, and Wi-Fi system will connect to a router and switch. From there, and they will access cloud-based application and storage. These setups makes the system more flexible and easier to manage. It allows the data to be stored securely in the cloud instead of relying on the local machines. Next, cloud storage and data protection. Cloud storage will be used to store member information, payment records, and important business documents. One major advantage of cloud is automatic backups. If a data fail, device if a device fails, the data is still safe in the cloud, can be recovered. I think this is important for business continuity because it prevents permanent data loss and keep operation running smoothly. Yeah, this is the about the cloud storage and data protection. Robust security measures. Security is very important when the implementing cloud computing. The CIA triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Integ- Confidentiality means only authorized staff can access sensitive data. Integrity means the data remains accurate and cannot be changed without permission. Availability means the system is accessible whenever it's needed. Additional protection include strong password, firewalls, and secure cloud encryption. This measure reduces the risk of data breaches and system failures. Yeah, next. Addressing risks and ensuring continuity. Okay. So, about this, there are some risks associated with cloud computing. This this include internet dependency, possible system downtime, and vendor lock-in. Ay, sorry. However, this risk can be minimized by choosing a reliable cloud provider, implementing strong security, and maintaining regular backups. I believe that with proper planning, this risk can be effectively managed. Core business of cloud adoption. The cloud solution provides several important benefits. First, it improves security by protecting sensitive member information. Second, it improves the accessibility because the step can be accessed the system from different devices. Third, it reduces cost by eliminating the need for expensive physical servers. Yeah. Finally, it improves reliability and scalability as business grows. Yeah, next. Strategic cloud adoption per cloud. So, based on my analysis, I recommend implementing a cloud-based solution using SaaS and cloud storage. This solution will improve security, boost efficiency, reduce operational risk, and drive business growth or support long-term business growth. I believe this is a practical and effective solution for Iron Fitness Iron Fitness Gym. Sorry. In conclusion, cloud computing offers a modern and secure solution for managing business operation. So by adopting cloud services, Iron Fitness Gym can protect its data, improve efficiency, and enhance reliability. Overall, this proposal supports the data. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you. Thank you for listening this presentation. Bye.